In this question, it is given that yx is solution of this differential equation and y1 is equal to 0. This differential equation implies that shifting this xy on the right hand side, then we shift this x square on the right hand side. This is homogeneous differential equation. Therefore, we put y is equal to vx. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get this. Now, in place of this dy by dx, we write this is equal to x square plus, in place of y, we write vx, v square x square minus x times vx square vx square by x square. Taking x square common from numerator and cancelling this x square, we get this. Shifting this v on the right hand side, we get this. This becomes v minus 1 square. Now we separate variable. dv by v minus 1 square is equal to dx by x. Integrating this by using this formula, we write this. Integrating this by using this formula, we write log x, and log c is arbitrary constant. This becomes v minus 1 to the power minus 1 by minus 1, and this becomes minus 1 by v minus 1. Log x plus log c will be log cx because of this formula. Since we had substituted y is equal to vx, therefore y by x will be equal to v. In place of this v, we write y by x. Then after simplification, we get this. By using this formula, we write this as this. Since it is given that y1 is equal to 0, that means when x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 0. Putting 1 in place of x here, and 0 in place of y here, we get c is equal to e. We write e in place of this c here. Shifting this e on the right hand side. E in the denominator means e to the power 1. Subtracting power 1 from this power, we get this. By using this formula, we write this as this. Shift this x minus y on the left hand side and multiply with log x, we get this. Shift this minus y log x on the right hand side, take y as common, shift this 1 plus log x on the left hand side, we get y is equal to this. Here log x means log x to the base e. Therefore ye, when we put e in place of x, we get this. Log e means log e to the base e, that is equal to 1. Therefore here will be 1, here will be 1. That means e by 2. Squaring both sides, we get ye square is equal to e square by 4. When we put e square in place of x, then value of y will be this. By using this formula, this will be 2 times log e to the base e means 2 times 1 means 2. Here will be 2. 2 times e square, 2e square. 1 plus 2, 3. Therefore, ye square will be 2e square by 3. Therefore, value of this will be equal to 2 times value of this e square by 4 divided by value of this 2e square by 3. This is equal to 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 will be equal to 0.75.